We just got home from the Jazz game, and like always, Kyler's up to his old tricks. I'm not sure what he's made, but I guarantee it's awesome. Let's go check it out. Hey Kyler.
Yeah?
What you doing?
I made a little fridge, playing with it. It's made out of cardboard, runs on ice.
Hold on. Say that again. Cardboard fridge,
Yeah.
huh? Runs on ice.
You put the ice in here.
Let me get close. You put the ice in.
A milk jug.
Okay.
I cleaned it out so it doesn't smell. Yeah.
Put the ice in the milk jug, and then the cold air just comes from the milk jug into here. Like just floats in there, or what? Oh, you got shelves in there.
Let me show you what I got going on.
Okay. Because I don't think it's going to get very cold if they...
I got this fan.
Wait, what fan?
This 12-volt computer fan.
Oh, wait.
I got out of a TV.
I don't even want to know what TV. Okay, continue. Fan out of a TV. That's glued between a milk jug and a box.
You probably wonder where the power comes from.
Is it battery?
Nope.
Okay.
It's from like a mini transformer, AC to DC.
And where did you get that from?
I found it, and yeah, and it looked like it was.
Okay, so it goes AC to DC. So what kind of DC power is that thing, that baby pumping out?
So this fan is 12 volts DC.
Uh-huh.
The output is 12 volts DC.
Okay, that seems to be pretty legitimate to me. So you plug it in and the fridge turns on. Do it.
It doesn't exactly turn on.
Wait, hold on. Your fan didn't work. Oh, he's got a switch. He's got a fan. He's got a milk jug full of ice. He's got a transformer power supply thingy. And he's got
a cup holder and shelves.
some pretty dang cold air coming into his little cardboard fridge-a-majig. Kyler, that's awesome. You're my hero.